Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use Google Meet app. You have to install it. Then you will need to sign in with Gmail account. If you don't know how to create a Gmail account, you can watch my previous video. Link of it is given in description. In this video, I will show you how to create and join a meeting, and I will tell you about some features of the app.
Zombie apocalypse.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and share my video. Open Google Calendar, then click on the event. Add a meeting title here. I have added the title. Then click on Add People, enter the email of whoever you want to add. And below you can turn on the option of guest can add other members. If you want to add other members through the previously added members, we can also attach a document. For that, click on Add an Attachment. I have attached the document via Google Drive. I have attached the document. Let us set the meeting time. I am setting here at 5 p.m. The maximum time of the meeting is 1 hour. Now I will save the meeting. You can also send an invitation. Now we will open the Google Meet app. Then swipe up and you will see our scheduled meeting. Click on it. Now we will share the link of the meeting through WhatsApp. If you want to join the meeting, then you can click on that link and you will be able to join the meeting. There are two ways to join a meeting. You can also join the meeting by clicking on that link, and another way you will see the option of meeting code on the main page. Click on it. So you have to enter the meeting code there. I have entered the code. And then click on Join Meeting. In the corner, you can see the option of audio. Click on it. There are three options. You can turn off the audio of the meeting through it and also on the speaker. I have joined the meeting. There is an option of 3 dots in the corner. Click on it, then click on the present screen. Screen presentation has started. You can also present or show PPT, documents, and notes to your teacher through it. Everything I want to show here is visible on another screen. If you want to stop presenting the screen, then click on Stop Presenting. Here screen presenting has stopped. If you want to remove any member, then click on it and click on the third option. Now you can see the second member has been removed. Click on End Call to end the meeting.